How's it going, guys? This is Techware Tactical, and I'm a little out of breath. So, I attempted in the previous video to remove the bottom of this Glock magazine, which I was always told was always so easy, just pushing a simple button. Well, I got so infuriated with trying to get it out that I just smacked it with a 2x4 on the floor and broke the floor plate. Thankfully, I don't think it's necessary to have that in this. At least I hope. Otherwise, I'm going to have to buy another piece, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So now that we have our... They recommend that you use a factory Glock magazine, because of course they do. Nevertheless, I went ahead and did get a Glock mag that was specifically for this. So we're going to be taking out the small Glock spring, and they do recommend they use the G17 17 round mag. So if I have this correctly understanding in my mind, it should be as easy as that going in there, the top portion snapping into place like that, I think. Yes. Compression should do the rest for that. Or we could give in and read the instructions. They do have some blue paint on this, but I'm pretty sure that's to represent the bottom of it. Let's try it the other way. That sounded like a more secure snap. So that, the extended spring goes directly into your standard Glock mag. That gets fed directly into there. And this bottom portion should capture with... There we go. Alright. And now it changes it from 16 to 40. Alright. It's a little chunky too. I don't exactly have the smallest of hands. But yeah, it's a little wiggly in there, but nothing too bad. So aside from losing one standard floor plate, not too terrible at all. For the price of it, it's a great way to take one mag and extend it to 40. Kriss is known for quality. They make the Kriss Vector, so I can only assume that their mag games are also on point, even though they do suggest using Glock magazines. I can only assume the extender is done to very high quality as well. So thank you so much, guys. I hope this was informative. Probably best to not bash your Glock mags with a 2x4 to try and get them to fit, but hey, if it works, it works. It's not like I needed it for the replacement portion or the extender anyway. But obviously, if I take it out of here for whatever reason, I'm going to need to replace that floor plate. But thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.